Hi, I'm Sian. Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is my review of the Fisher-Price Codapillar. Fisher-Price launched the Codapillar, which is an innovation in preschool learning. The Codapillar is aimed at 3 to 8 year olds and it's the first of its kind on the market. It encourages experimentation and it inspires a child's natural curiosity and promotes independent thinking through interactive hands-on play. The idea is that each of the different segments of the caterpillar are a different code, and the caterpillar will behave differently depending on how you put those pieces of code into it. So you take the little segments off and you put them on in whatever order you want to, and then when you press go, the caterpillar will react to those segments and the codes within those segments to do exactly what you have just asked it to do. There are 9 segments and they're really easy to connect, even for little hands. The different codes within the Codapillar are forward, left, right, and one which we called dance, which was the purple one. It was interesting to see how my children played with this toy completely differently. My daughter initially enjoyed setting up the colours in rainbow order to see what happened, and my son enjoyed just setting it off whichever way, but making it go through kind of tunnels of him and things. You can also set targets for the Codapillar, meaning that you have to experiment to work out how the Codapillar is going to get to the end target. This is teaching children sequencing. When they figure out the sequence which makes the path for the Codapillar, they're also being introduced to programming and problem solving. You can easily turn your room into an obstacle course. Try and work out how to rearrange the Codapillar to make him go under chairs, through cushions, through legs. My children had particular fun going through legs. One top tip is that it is best used on hard, flat surfaces. We did try it on the carpet, but it just didn't work as well. Both my children have really enjoyed playing with the Codapillar, and as I said before, it's been interesting to see how differently they play with it. It has been a hit with both of them. They're age 5 and 7, and initially when I saw the Codapillar, I kind of thought it might be a bit young for them. But actually the critical thinking that's involved is on their level, and although this would be great fun for younger children as well, I think it's good for older children because they have more of that understanding of the sequencing and how to problem solve with the Codapillar. You can also purchase additional command segments which have unique actions, and these are available to make the Codapillar grow more so that children can explore even more exciting combinations and possibilities. There's also a dedicated app which is launching to expand on the fun with Codapillar by adding new challenges which reinforce learning. We haven't tried out the app yet, but we certainly will be. The recommended retail price for the Codapillar is $49.99, and for each Codapillar add-on pack it's $14.99, and they are sold separately. We've really enjoyed playing with the Codapillar. I can also highly recommend playing with it in the dark because it lights up really well. The only thing from a parenting point of view is it's quite noisy. Other than that, it's a brilliant toy. I think any toy which is encouraging children to think in a way which is the same as coding is really beneficial. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Alright, bye!